How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're doing camera test of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Hope you guys are having a great day. Nice, beautiful day here at the park. And this is the front-facing camera, 4K, 60 frames per second. And yeah, camera testing Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. This phone, my friends, is excellent. As you can see, really nice background, beautiful day. Hope you guys are enjoying it as I am at Stephen F. Austin Park in Texas. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos and pictures taken on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Peace. Alright everybody, Sick Eric here again. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, 4K, 60 frames per second at the park. Showing you guys some footage of how this phone looks. 4K, 60 frames per second. And it is a nice, beautiful day at Stephen F. Austin Park, Texas. Check out the sky, all the beautiful trees. It is a bit crowded here. There are a lot of people at the damn park. 4K, 60 frames per second. How do things look? How does it sound? Really beautiful. Alright, stay tuned for more videos and pictures. Peace. Alright, rear facing camera, 4K 30. Pro mode. 21:9 aspect ratio. So I'm messing around with the settings here. See if I can get this to look nice. Pro mode, 21:9 aspect ratio. Have no idea what I'm doing here as far as settings go, but I'm trying. A little bit washed out. There we go. Really excellent wide field of view. Getting attacked by the mosquitoes, no doubt. Alright, peace out, guys. Alright, guys, 4K 60 frames per second. The mighty Brazos River. Really nice day outside. Riding my bike down these trails. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, 4K, 60 frames per second. And I am walking here. Alright, this is front facing camera, full HD, 60 frames per second. Out in the woods and trails. Beautiful day outside. How does it look? How's the sky look? And how does this view look? Look at this. Really, really nice. Front facing camera, full HD, 60 frames per second. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. And there we go. How's the sky look? There's my bike. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace. Alright, just cause here's some 4K 30 frames per second. And I am riding my bike here. As you guys can see. 4K 30. Just to give you guys an idea how this looks. Of course it's gonna look beautiful, it's the daytime. Why wouldn't it? Peace. Full HD 60 frames per second. And I am riding my bike here. How does this look? Full HD 60 frames per second. We are about to get to a really big opening right here. Keep in mind I am riding my bike, so it might be a little jerky. Look at that. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Full HD. 60 frames per second. Absolutely gorgeous. Samsung does tend to oversaturate the greens, but I like it. Alright, peace. Alright, so this is live focus video using the front facing camera, so this will focus on me and blur out the background. Let me know how this works. Let me know how it looks. I never really used this before. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition live focus video. Hopefully this looks good. This phone is really great. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys an idea how live focus video looks. Front facing camera, blurring out the background. Hopefully that's doing a good job. Usually they tend to mess up around glasses. See how that looks. Alright, peace. Alright, here's some full HD, 30 frames per second. You are able to zoom in and zoom back out to ultra wide using full HD, 30 frames per second. It's really cool. Pretty far drop down here. Pretty crazy. Full HD, 30 frames per second. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the camera samples. And I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little notification for future notifications on this channel. And you guys stay safe out there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.